Hello, my name is Mr. Dagunjaro, and I'm the head of business studies. I'll be explaining some key information about business studies, GCSE to you. Business is studied over 2 years and is divided into two things, namely Theme 1, which is covered in Year 10, while Theme 2 is covered in Year 11. There are no changes to the structure of the course, nor the structure of the exam. Below are the contents covered in Theme 1, which are divided into 5 parts, and the different subtopics that are under the individual parts. These are all covered in year 10. Theme 1 is investigating small business. That is the title for Theme 1. And under it, the students will be covering enterprise and entrepreneurship, supporting a business opportunity, putting a business idea into practice, making the business effective, and understanding external influence. All these are covered in year 10. These are the things that the students will be learning in year 10. Thing 2, which is titled Building a Business, is studied in year 11. This relates to growing a business into a larger or bigger organization. Below are the topics which are studied in year 11. This is also divided into 5 parts, and there are subtopics which have to be covered, which have to be studied in year 11. There are two exam papers that will be written at the end of year 11, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 covers everything that is learned in year 10, and paper 2 covers everything learned in year 11. The papers are equally structured. That is, there's no difference in the setting of the papers except for the contents. The papers are divided into 3 parts: Section A, Section B, and Section C. Section A is non-contextualized. It means that the student will not be given any case study in Section A. They will be asked questions and they will need to use their business knowledge and apply that knowledge to answering the questions given to them in the exam. But Section B and C are contextualized. It means that the students will be given case study and questions will be asked in relation to the business context in the case study and the business organization mentioned in the case study. Students have to give their answer in the context of the case study. The answers must not be generic. It means they will have to use data from within the case study, both qualitative data and quantitative data. If the students answer the questions in a generic form, they will not be awarded their marks. Students have been taught this in class and they know and understand that. But this needs to be reiterated to them. Below are the common words which are used for the different question types in the exam. There is a 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 6 marks, 9 marks, and 12 marks question. 9 mark questions and 12 mark questions are extended writing questions. It means that the students have to write longer answers, and these are found in section B and in section C. These questions are contextualized questions, which are found in section B and section C. 12 marks is in section C. Students would answer the explain question, which is a 3 mark question. Calculations will also be done in the exam, and this carries 2 marks. Questions which are multiple choice questions are 1 mark questions. There might be the option for the students to choose 2 answers, but each answer is 1 mark. Below are the key dates for mock exam. Year level students will be writing a pre-mock assessment in the week commencing 12th of October, and they will be writing paper one exam during that week. They will also be writing the autumn mock exam, which will consist of a full paper one exam and part paper two exam, which will be based on all that is covered until the mock period. But in March, students will be writing full paper one and full paper two exam in March, spring mock. Then year 10 also will be writing a mock paper. In the first mock, they will be writing part of paper one exam, but in summer, they will be doing a full paper one exam. That is for year 10. Below are the revision sites that students can use to revise online. BizEd is a very good one. It contains lots of good business study notes that students can use to study and revise. BBC Bite Size is also a good one and also Get Revised. If they just type this site on Google, they should be able to get there and they'll be able to access information and study resources on this website. Please find below information for revision material that student can additional resource that student can purchase if they want, if they would like uh, to supplement whatever pack that we might be giving to them for their revision. Uh, the Business Studies Revision Guide is a very good one that students can use. It is also produced by Edexcel, which is the exam board. Please do find my email address below for further inquiry or any information you might need with regards to revision or any learning resources. Thank you very much.